Hello. A little while ago, we sent out an email talking about the hand sanitizer that Laure has produced, and some of you have ordered it. Some of you probably didn't even read the email. Anyway, we want to let you know that we do have them in stock, and they come in one size, which is 350 ml. This is how they look, and it comes with a pump. You can activate it and use it. I want to show you a little bit how to use the actual desanitizer, because when you put it in your hand and you start rubbing, you'll feel a little grit, and it isn't something that's going to scratch your hands or anything. You just do it like this, and on both hands, in between the fingers and around them. Very well. As you rub it in, those little bits that are actually moisturizing instead of just drying your hands when they sanitize, they'll disappear. So when the product has entered your skin, when your skin feels dry, just do this with your hands and they'll feel perfectly nice and smooth. All those little bits will disappear. So here's your sanitizer from Laure. It's in 350 ml, very reasonably priced. Just go on our website, www.theeuropeantouch.com. Thank you.